Hey there, Ricksters and Lego friends, Twoloosebricks here, and I found this online instructions of how to make the Harry Potter golden snitch. Now, there's not too many pieces required for this. It says 35 pieces, and I think I'm going to attempt to make one of these. It looks pretty good. So if you can gather up the parts, I would say if you can get the bright yellow, use the yellow, but it's probably gold parts. It looks gold to me, but you know, a golden snitch is a golden snitch. So it's, what can I say? That looks yellow, but looks gold. If you can get gold parts for that, A1. If you can't, just use yellow. Now, to me, I would use yellow or tan and spray paint it gold, and it would look like superior. But that's just me. If you just want to build it, use yellow, I guess. That would be kind of cool. But I found this, like I said, online, and this is just the instructions for it. Probably came from like a store build or something like that, or maybe it was at Universal. I don't know where it was. And I just happened to find it as I was browsing through stuff. So I thought I'd put it out there. So grab a screen capture of this and put it up here long enough as I'm talking so you can probably build it from the amount of time that I'm talking. But grab a screen cap of it and print it out, and there you go. It tells you the parts up on the top right corner here, which I'll enlarge for you right now. And you just grab a screen cap of that, so you got a parts list and you got the instructions list, and away you go. You got yourself a Harry Potter golden snitch. So that's pretty cool. I just wanted to bring that to your attention, and since I've been doing Harry Potter themed stuff, throw it out there as well. So anyway, that's it for now. I'll talk to you guys later. If you have any comments, questions, or whatever you want, drop me notice down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, and we'll see you again in the next video.